You can see the snow right now. Normally you can see the city. You can see a few lights in the building here, but now you can't see it because we're looking through snow. 12 degrees right now. East wind at 18 miles an hour. That's your upslope. And here is the snow all the way from the southwest through the upper Midwest, all the way into Canada. 80 million Americans are going to be affected by this storm, including us. And that's what we've got right now. Corey talked about the bands, and that's just depending on where they are. And we don't know if this thing is going to stall, where it's going to move back to the west, when it's going to pass through our area once again. So that's the thing with these bands. You just don't know because they're not being steered by much. So here's the way it looks right now. Right through the afternoon rush hour, we continue to see snow, generally light as the day goes on, and then it clears out by about midnight, 1 a.m. And tomorrow we have sunshine pretty much across the state by the noon hour. You can see we have a winter weather advisory in the blue shaded area. That's for 4 to 8 inches, higher amounts to the west. And then you fill that in with a winter storm warning. And the metro area is now included in that winter storm warning because of the heavy bands of snow and some gusty winds as well. Temperatures today mostly in the single digits and teens. These are right off the thermometer. These are not wind chills. They go all the way to the western slope. You see 30s to the south and west, however. And you can see temperatures tonight. These too are off the thermometer. These are not wind chills. And you can see the below zero readings. I have us at 7 below tonight. I saw one model that has us anywhere from 10 to 20 below zero tonight. And again, that's right off the thermometer. And you can see those cold temperatures continue to the west. So today, snow, cold, 16. The winter storm warning continues for Denver until midnight. Clearing skies, very cold tonight, 7 below. Could be colder. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, stays chilly with 23 degrees. And then we stay in the 30s, 40s, even a couple of 50-degree readings and lots of sunshine. We don't see much in the way of any snow, at least for the next 6 days.